The Samsung Galaxy Note 20 and the Note 20 Plus are still around few months away. Rumors about the flagships have already started flying around, but today's leak is a pretty massive one because it includes one huge design change. One of the famous leaker, Roland Quinn, has managed to obtain photos of an inline mold for the official Galaxy Note 20 or Note 20 Plus. LED view cover accessory that Samsung is planning to launch alongside the high-end smartphones later this year. The mold itself doesn't reveal anything about the front of the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 series, but it does include one pretty massive clue about the rear panel. That's because it features a huge camera design cutout in the rear of the device. Therefore, it seems extremely likely that at least one of the Galaxy Note 20 flagships will come with a quad camera setup. What this could look like on the final device envisioned in the concept renders like this. If Samsung planning to releasing two Galaxy Note flagships this year, the Galaxy Note 20 Plus will probably be based on the Galaxy S20 Ultra and the Galaxy Note 20 could be repacked as Galaxy S20 Plus. In that case, those of you waiting for the Plus branded variant can expect to find 108 megapixel main camera coupled with a 48 megapixel camera. Also to be expected is a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle shooter and a dedicated time of flight sensor for more accurate portrait photos. So guys, I hope you all are safe. So please remember, stay safe and stay home. See you guys soon.